Please tell me about your Bollywood fetish that you have. What is how much?
India is all about Bollywood. I see.
Okay.
I love Bollywood. When I got into politics, I was in the original Rahul Brigade. तो लैपटॉप
I like that Rahul Brigade.
लैपटॉप लेके जाता था सफ़ेद कुर्ता लेकर
हाँ.
एंड यू नो वी यूज्ड टू गो विद अ लैपटॉप एंड यू नो आंकड़े बता रहे हैं कि यू नो 2.3% ग्रोथ हुआ है एंड यू नो ऑल सो वन डे माय मदर कॉल्ड मी अप एंड सेड बेटा you used to be such a fun child. I kept you 9 months in my stomach. And now you become so serious. Nobody will like you if you're so serious. You have such a good smile. Laugh. Try to win people over. Be nice to them. Then I realized that in India, songs, in Northeast also, songs, films, sports. So Bollywood was one of the things we grew up watching Chitrahar. I didn't know how to speak Hindi, so I learned how to speak Hindi by watching Hindi films. So my favorite actor used to be Dharmendra. Then
Seriously?
I love Dharmendra.
Huh. How come like you're much too young to because
I'm very old. We don't age in Northeast. I'm very old. Dharmendra, great.
Which film?
Sholay, we've all seen. Mosije. Dharmendra was there. Of course, Amitabh Bachchan. I loved him in Agnipath, the original one.
Okay.
You didn't like that?
I just was irritated with that voice
Hey,
thing.
क्या बोलता है तुम भाई उधर से आदमी देखता कुछ है बोलता कुछ है करता कुछ है तुम जैसा पॉलिटिशियन जैसा है so
Yes.
yeah.
So it irritated me that they made that his voice
Then
change.
Sunny Deol, you know, Chadda. So you know, so all these are there. Shatrughan Sinha. जान से पता क्या क्या जाना चाहता चाय पी के जाइए गा 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 गा. Of course, when I meet him, he sounds a lot more different. But so I
And among the heroines, who is your
hero
heartthrob?
name, but I've heartthrob name. I mimicked politicians.
Everybody had a
but
crush
now I
on.
can't.
You must have had a crush on heroines. Who?
No, I never thought of that. My mother is watching this podcast. I'm not married.
Okay.
No, but I loved Madhuri Dixit was very good when we were going. Then I think on the modern ones I don't like any.
And politicians?
Modi ji to hai hi. I mean, Vajpayee ji, Rahul, many other local politicians. I do a lot of accents, the Naga accent, the Khasi accent.
What is the difference between... See, I would know the difference in accent between, say, a Punjabi and a Haryanvi or a Tamilian and a Kannada.
So I do a bit of Bhojpuri also.
Really?
हाँ, नेपाली भी बोल सकता हूँ.
How Bhojpuri? What is your exposure to Bhojpuri?
अरे हमारा तो देखा है ना हम काहे ना करेंगे.
Did you have friends who were...
Yeah, because हम तो रास्ते में चलते थे वहाँ में से कोई आलू बेच रहा था कोई चाट बेच रहा था तो अरे राम भाव काका चना दीजिएगा बा तो खाई लिए हैं. तो प्रशांत के संग मैं मजाक करते प्रशांत किशोर जब भी बात करते तो बिहारी में कभी कभी बात कर लेता हूँ. आई हैव लॉट ऑफ बिहारी फ्रेंड्स. नेपाली मैले अलिकति नेपाली कुरा गर्न सक्छ तो आई कैन स्पीक नेपाली. Of course, Naga accent is very different. Khasi accent is completely different.
Can you speak the language, both the languages?
I speak Khasi.
Khasi.
I speak Khasi.
Naga, I can understand Naga. Khasi or what? Everybody from the Northeast can speak a bit of Khasi or what?
Yeah, I mean, because you were there.
Is it easy to pick up the language?
Khasi is the most different language from the Northeast. Everybody speaks Tibeto-Burmese. Khasi is Mon Khmer. Okay. So, like in my language, what is your name would be, like you're Tulu, you speak Tulu. So, what in my language will be Nini Bumung Tamo, means what is your name?
Okay, that's
in Khasi, it'll be Kae Kakriteng Chongphi. It's completely different. So,
but did you learn these languages in school?
Because we all friends were locals, no?
Locals.
So, like in Nadammo, in the Mizo language, you say how are you Kedam. We say Chibai, hello. Then Dimasa say Juthai. Then thank you is Hambai. Then Bodo say Khulungbai. So there are certain similarities. Okay. But Khasi is completely different. Khublai Shibun. So
sounds lovely.
Yeah, it is.
Is there a link factor at all among all the
Tibeto-Burmese people have a similar language. Then Khasis are Mon Khmer, which is completely distinct. And so that is the only difference.
No, what I mean is like among the 8 northeastern
हाँ,
states. Is there a,
in certain tribes you can understand. Like wak in my language means pork in Kokborok. Wak in Garo means pork. Woksa in Mizo means pork.
huh.
So there are certain Bisi Katal, New Year. Garo say Bilsi Katal.
Okay,
Katal,
that sounds
so
similar.
there are similar. The Bodos and Dimasas are very similar.
And
Khasis are very different.
When you
Khasis
go
are
to
very
the when you go to the East Asian countries,
yeah, Khmer language, certain languages there are a lot of similarities.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.